Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce special hidden units Android 8.0 Oreo for Chevrolet Captiva 24 to 2012 years. Okay, you can check here is the box. Let me open the box. You can check head units with good condition. Okay. This is special head units. Okay, let me introduce harness it first. You can check this special harness for Chevrolet. Okay, you can check this connector. Okay. Okay. It comes with the GPS antenna, and the external microphone, a front mini USB. Okay, and the remote controller. And two USB cable and the external microphone. The radio antenna. Okay, this is audio cable. And subwoofer. And video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, the audio combo front and rear, left and right. Okay, camera input. Okay, AUX input, left and right. This video input. Okay, let me show the head unit. Okay, this is driver agent. You can check. It says hidden unit special for Chevrolet. Okay. Okay, you can check the front panel. Snap, microphone, GPS SD card slot, 2 slot DVD player, reset hole, front mini USB, IR. Okay. Please remove these 2 screws before installing, because it fixes DVD in the shippings. Okay, you can check side. Okay. Okay, back. You can check this power. This fuse. The power is fuse, GPS, and connectors, Wi-Fi antenna, radio port. Okay. Let me power with head unit 12 voltage. The head unit will be start. Button light will on. You also can change this button color in the settings. Please remove this screen protector before using. Okay, this is UI interface. Very fast response. It's a RAM PX5 octa-core. Let me install wallpaper. This home button. Okay, everything installed. Let me check the settings. It's built in Wi-Fi and support hotspots 4G and 3G. Let me check the system. You can check model is PX5, Android version 8.0 Oreo. Okay. Back. Let me change car elements. You can change the button color is red, green, blue, orange, and adjust any color on this panel. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.